The investigation officer in the shocking French rape case in the city has finally been replaced. The mother of the 4-year-old daughter, allegedly raped by her own father and a French official, had complained that the investigating officer in the case was insensitive and intimidating. Will the new officer be any different, or are our cops just incapable of dealing sensitively with victims of sexual abuse?
Between 5 and 9 she was interrogated under the guise of interrogation and the investigation. 5 or 6 officials sitting around, videographing the entire thing, putting all sorts of questions which were very insensitive and inhuman, and she was treated like an accused and not as a complainant.
The lawyer of the lady who filed a complaint of rape against her husband, Pascal Mazuria, an official in the French consulate, feels vindicated that the officer investigating the case has been replaced. Pascal, the deputy director of joint chancellery in the French consulate in Bangalore, was arrested on the 19th of June, days after his wife slapped a case of rape on him. Their 4-year-old daughter was allegedly repeatedly abused and even raped, as confirmed by a private hospital. The mother of the girl alleges that Pascal had raped her. The Bangalore police took days to check diplomatic status of Pascal Mazuria and was even criticized for delaying his arrest. The investigation officer, of course, was swiftly changed after complaints of insensitivity. But activists argue that in such cases of rape, shouldn't medical reports speak for itself?
I've been insisting both the central government and the state government to have a special team in such cases to investigate, who must be specially trained with subordinate officials. I may recall to you in Philippines and other places in such cases what's happening. In such cases, a rape victim will not be taken. Child will not be taken in the presence of a police officer. The police, even if they want to, they must come in a mufti. Child should not know that he's a police officer. The child or the mother will be taken into a room, specialized room, in that the investigation will be done and the recording will be done in the presence of the doctor and others. That is the end of it, and that will be positive evidence and no more evidence is recorded.
DNA samples of Pascal Mazuria have been sent to forensic labs. The reports, expected in a week's time, will confirm whether it was indeed he who raped the girl. In Bangalore, Radhika Iyer, NDTV.
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news, and your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.